Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with Tavish, and today I'm going to teach you how to make videos like me. To edit videos like me and make wonderful videos, swipe up and go down. Download Filmmaker from Play Store if you haven't. My Filmmaker is already downloaded, so I open it. Once I go over there, it'll ask me to add a new project. Allow this so you can see your files and everything that you've recorded. So to create a new project, click on new project. Load, and over here is your new project. Click on start here and take the video that you have shooted. It will come in. And if you want an intro screen, just go to the intro area and choose the one that you want. There are pretty many options. Cool, cute, colorful, simple, fast, and that's great. So I want to go with this one because I like it. Click on the less number option, which is 480p. You can also click on the higher one if you want. I'm using the lower one, so I clicked on download and it's downloaded. So whichever one you've selected won't have a download button beside it because you've already downloaded it. Just click on the one you want. I want 480p. It'll come with number 1 on it, and then click on the tech option. So over here your video's intro is there. You can click on the title here option and write anything you want. I will write my channel name. You can also choose your size by using both your fingers and keep it the way you want. Okay, I want it to be like this, and it'll be like this. If you want the text to come from the starting, just go over here and you can drag it from the starting like this. You can choose it. Well, I don't want it popping out from the starting, so I've decided to keep it over here. Then, many people add music since the starting part becomes very boring. So you can click on the music option, and if you've downloaded any music, you could use that. So I want a dynamic one. I want the song. So I click on the add button. The add button will come only if you click on the download option beside the numbers. You can choose anyone, it's not specific. So I want to use this song. So I click on add and I click on the tick mark. So I click on the tick mark and you can also choose your volume over here. I want my volume to be 200. which is the loudest. Now you can add your own media. You can select the videos you have taken and use them. From the videos you have taken from my camera app, you can use them. So it's like this now. So over here I'm just lip sync, as you can see. And also many people who use the YouTube channel want a subscribe button in the side. For that, click on the emoji option and select where you want your emoji to be. And download the one that you like. There will be some labeled with the Pro option above it. Pro will be written on the top. So don't take that because you need to pay. I like this one, so I selected it. Now we can choose our placing where we want it to be. Okay, so I want my placing to be here. And once you click over there, you can also choose on how long that will be shown. You can add any of your media. If you want something funny to happen or something, you can go with any one of them. You can go and many people also like funny stuff like error. I love this error one. It shows error, you have no friends. Cry. Then you can add that and like over here. We can also add the other ones like the other ones. Don't go with the pro ones, as I had said that you need to pay. This one is free. This one is not free. So we cannot take it because it is labeled with pro. You can also choose this, where you can put your videos in the area and people can click on it and it'll take them to that video. Now, many people have this problem in Filmmaker that they don't know. After the video ends, a black screen comes and it keeps going on and on. Well, if you have added music, this will probably happen to you. So, once your video is done, just go to the end mark and note it. Okay, so this is 28 seconds. Then click on the music icon and trim it until you see 28 down. If it's 1 second ahead, it does not matter. Now, many people also want to add their text. So there is also a text option where you can select your text. Can you see it in the side? It's there. Over there you can choose your text, and many people also love filters. So do I. And many people want the filters. So you can go to film or glitch. I like glitchy stuff. You can also go with the shake one. and featured are the ones that I use the most. Also, there are many more filters. So you just have to click on the magic one sign to choose your filters. I want this filter, or I want this one. It's up to you about which one you want. You can also choose your duration. Through extending it from here. And many people also want to mute their stuff. To mute their stuff, like suppose I am speaking right now. Imagine I'm speaking in this video. So you just have to click once and go to the option volume. I was just lip syncing this one, but if you've actually said anything, you can increase the volume if you want the music just to be background types. You can also freeze your screen wherever you want. And you can get filters. And if you want one filter and all, just click on that tick one. So it'll go to everything. Do you want to add a freeze time here? Yes, I want to. Now I want to put my videos over here. That happens from YouTube. But if you don't want them to, if you want anything particular over there, it's simple. First, go to whatever you want. Go to whatever you want. Then take a screenshot of that. After you take a screenshot of that, you can apply it. Now you must be wondering, how do we apply it? It'll come as a whole new slide. So it's easy. So let me show you. I want my channel to come in that area. Not my videos. I want my channel to come there. So I go up and I take a screenshot of this. After I've done that, I open my screenshot and I crop it. Once that is done, I save it. Then I go back to Filmmaker. After I am back to Filmmaker, I will add this in the area where the arrows are showing. So I go to the end part and click on the there'll be like a plus icon, plus, and then that there'll be like a plus and the same icon that I just clicked on. It'll be like that. When you click on that icon, you can add your thing in the middle. Now, many people also want to add the recordings. Well, that's simple. Just click on the mic option and say, it'll show 3, 2, 1. Error, you have no friends. Cry, 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 cry. So it's recorded. Let's see. Error, you have no friends. Cry, 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 cry. So whatever you've recorded comes. Error, you have no friends. Cry, 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 cry. So you can also delete the recordings by just tapping on it once and then click on the delete option. Now many people have asked me that what is this? I need to know what is this droplet sign. Well, it's just a filmmaker sign. So you have to you can remove that watermark of filmmaker, but then you'll need to upgrade to pro, which we don't want to do. And if you want to add your custom, you'll again need to pay, which is sad. Let me try if I can add something. Let's write my name now. Well, you actually can't get your own custom thing because it's way done. And that's it for today. So bye. And hey, I forgot the most important part. The exportation. Now you have to choose your exportation size. You know how much memory do you want it to take? Do you want it blurry? Not? It's up to you. So let's go with 720 and quality medium. When I click on the export button, it'll show me this and a circle. After that's done, you can go and select any option that you want it to be exported to, like WhatsApp and Gmail. And then you can share the video, and then you can click on the YouTube option, click on the YouTube option and upload it. So thanks for watching. Bye.